Hi guys, how's it going and welcome to the next day. To be honest, not feeling the best today. We had some tea this morning at our local guest house and it's just like upset my stomach for some reason. And the rain is back. I don't think it went away to be honest, but it seems to be back. And we're just back at the Geographer, the cafe, having some breakfast and some coffee. It's the only place that seems to be open, which is kind of strange. But we're going to go on like a really nice river walk today. Even if it is raining, we're still going to go. And I think I might have found a submarine that we can go into. So yeah, we'll see what happens. So we're just in this old Chinese temple. Apparently it's Malaysia's oldest temple. Is still out and about. I think we're gonna carry on walking up and around. We're gonna head to the river. Hopefully the rain doesn't get any heavier. It's just spitting at the moment. So yeah, we're gonna go on a river walk. So we're currently walking down the river and there's loads of murals and like artwork basically on these houses. It's really, really nice. Actually a really nice walk. These buildings. It's pretty cool. I just wish the sun was out a little bit, not too much because then it would be too hot and then I'd be moaning about that I guess. But yeah. Just a little bit of drizzle all the time, it's kind of funny. I'm just trying not to get little droplets of water down my microphone. It's a struggle, people, it's a struggle. I'm not too sure what that says, but if it does say mosquitoes transmit HIV/AIDS, then that is wrong. Mosquitoes cannot do that. A mosquito biting you can't transmit HIV. So I don't know. Let me know in the comments down below. I have never seen the underneath of a bridge look so nice.
Bastard.
Unbelievables.
Unbelievable, Jeff.
You called me a bastard?
Yes.
Why?
You know what you just did.
What?
You know what you just did.
What? What?
You stole that line from me.
Stole what line?
I said that.
Said what? A little bit heavier, still beautiful though. I think we're gonna try and walk up here and see if we can jump on one of the boats to get back. We'll have a look. How funny is that on Grab that you can get a tri-saw? So we just jumped in a Grab and now we're gonna go in a submarine. Basically it's 10 ringgit each for all three things. So you get to go on this big ship, you get to go in the Maritime Museum, and you get to go over there and you get to go in a submarine. Pretty sure, hope so. That's what I'm looking forward to. So it's still raining, it's pretty bad as well, so we're gonna head into the Maritime Museum, do that first. Hopefully the rain sort of calms down a little bit, and then we can go on big ship, and then we can go in the submarine.
65 kilos.
This is the horsebill.
This turtle obtains a length of up to 90 centimeters and 75 kilograms, making it a really bad fat bastard.
Is this male or female?
Yes, well, you can only tell by moving to the back of it. So let's go, kids. I will show you its anus and vagina. It's clearly a woman with a large penis.
Is that a tusk?
Is that a tusk? Well, it's laying eggs, so I'm presuming it is a man.
We have made it into the big ship. It's pretty big as well. There's a lot going on. This is the first time I've been on a ship which has not been on water. By you?
I think so.
I think so. Very strange.
Well, I'll be.
Now we're going to go over the road, over here. Here, here, here. Here, here. And we're going to try go, I'm pretty sure they have a submarine. Let's go find out. Oh, Mr. Man got too close to the blades on this one. What's up, Scuba Steve? Speak. What's up? What's up, Scuba Steve?
Hello. Nothing.
Bit disappointed, guys. Bit disappointed. Just looking out the window. They have a cool boat to go in. It doesn't look like they have a submarine. Google told me they had a submarine. Ali! Get on the gun! Load the cannon! Fire! Really don't want to mess with this gun. It will blind you. I just found out that the Submarine Museum is a completely different place. It's 3.8 kilometers away. Shit. And Ali doesn't want to go. Okay, she didn't say she didn't want to go. She just said it's miles away, which is kind of like, well, I'm not going because it's miles away.
Take from it what you will.
So the current time is like 1:30. We're gonna go grab some food from back in the main little village area, and then we might get a grab if I can convince Ali that it's worth it.
I suggested doing it. Oh my.
She really doesn't want to go.
Oh,
We're gonna go. We'll see if we get a grab and go to the Submarine Museum. I'd quite like to go in a submarine. It's not in the water, it's on land as well, but it'd be quite cool to see inside one. So yeah, food first. Where we're going?
Green Veggie.
We're going to a place called Green Veggie. Being heavily distracted by cats, we are now on like a touristy area road where we're walking up these stairs to go to a place called St. Paul's Hill. Now, it's quite rare that Ali says, do you want to go up this hill? Because in my eyes, Ali is like a level ground person. Isn't that right? You like the level ground.
It's safe.
It's safe,
I feel good.
So we're currently climbing quite a few stairs.
Out of choice, my choice.
and we'll see what's at the top. Sorry, we're getting so distracted by cats. I literally just bypassed that whole church and gave you no information on it because I was looking at cats.
It's alright, I give information on it on my video and include cats as well.
Oh, okay.
Oh,
so I might as well not even bother vlogging. So we're just heading back down the steps on the other side. We've like bypassed a bit of the road where like a really cool plane was sat, but I think we'll go back that way. And we're just coming down towards the Imperial Heritage Hotel. And it looks kind of cool down here. It looks like there's something going on. There's a big stage set up with a pirate ship, or with a ship. So we'll have to have a look. So we have the Independence Memorial here. We have a big shopping centre going on like down here. And then if you really want to go to Pirate Adventure, it is here. It looks kind of cool actually.
Yeah.
It's just such a shame that the weather's not that nice. Otherwise this would be amazing in like really nice weather. I think we might pop back down tomorrow if the weather's good. But now we're going to walk back around the roadway instead of going up and over the hill. And we're going to go to the Indian restaurant and get some Indian food.
Yes.
So we just had another fantastic meal. If you come over to Malaysia, you have to get the masala dosa. It's amazing. So we've made it to Sid's. We got a pint. 20 ringgit for a pint. It's not bad. It's £4, but
I mean, those are expensive, but they're here on the water.
yeah, it's expensive, but for the touristy area and where it is,
Really cheap.
it's actually quite cheap.
You can pay that easily for a glass of beer.
Yeah, you can, yeah. So the pints are poured. We're just gonna chill here, people watch for a little while, and then I think the sun is. Oh God, I've never seen the sun since I've been here, so I guess the sun is going down, and then it'll just get dark. So yeah.
That's generally how it goes.
Yeah. Worst vlogger ever. Guys, we met a German last night in the pub. We ended up having 5 pints of beer each, me and Ali. And we were supposed to check out in like half an hour. So we were like, I can't get out of bed. My head is killing me. So we're gonna stay one more night in Malacca. Yay! But the one day that like we're hungover, it's really sunny outside. And I'm definitely not.
Why?
I'm definitely not leaving.
No, never.
The room today. Oh, these lights are so horrible. Yeah, now they can't see me. Oh no. I don't know where those 5 pints came from either. It was just like, I didn't really feel drunk at all.
No,
just
I didn't feel drunk.
having a nice chat, and you know, met that guy. What was he called? Fabian. Fabio. Really cool guy that we met. This German guy who works in the Swiss Alps as a chef on ski resorts, and he's over here traveling. But yeah, oh my God, I feel awful. So yeah, this is real life, guys. This is right here. This is real traveling. This is what's gonna happen to you, unless you're teetotal, I guess.
That sounds more and more appealing the more I hear about teetotal.
Yeah, I think I might go teetotal. Okay, I'll go back to sleep. Bye. Hi guys, how's it going? So, it's the next day again. basically we kind of missed like a whole day. We spent the whole day in bed watching films. Yeah, I haven't been that hungover in ages, so that was crazy. So yeah, we watched like 3 films in bed, did fuck all, went out for food twice, literally just went out for food, then came back and got straight back into bed. So yeah, we kind of missed a day, but it was actually really nice. Like, we haven't done that in ages. We haven't just had like a whole day off and just spent it in bed, you know, when you just want one of those days. So we're gonna get the bus back up to KL. Now it's currently about 9:30 in the morning. We got up early this morning, went out for breakfast, and yeah, we're gonna get like an early bus up there, so we got the rest of the afternoon in KL. So we're off up there now.